Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. Today, we're exploring something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary hypercar brand known for raw power and breathtaking design is now redefining road luxury with a motorhome like no other. Let's take a deep dive into this opulent beast on wheels. Exterior. From the outside, the 2026 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome is nothing short of futuristic elegance. It features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette with a sculpted front fascia that echoes Bugatti's iconic grille and horseshoe design. The LED light signature wraps around the front and rear, giving it a seamless and premium look, even when stationary. Bugatti hasn't forgotten performance-inspired styling. Vented panels, carbon fiber accents, and bold contours reflect the brand's racing DNA. With a retractable panoramic roof and motorized awnings, this motorhome is ready to turn any stop into a luxurious lounge. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported into what feels like a five-star penthouse suite on wheels. The cabin is adorned with Italian leather, Alcantara, real wood, and carbon fiber trim. Ambient lighting lines the ceiling, walls, and floor edges to create a serene atmosphere. The motorhome features a spacious lounge with recliners, a pop-up 85-inch OLED TV, and a state-of-the-art Bowers & Wilkins sound system. There's a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with smart appliances, a private master bedroom with a king-size bed, and a spa-style bathroom with a rain shower and heated flooring. Performance. Now let's talk performance. Yes, even a motorhome with the Bugatti badge doesn't skip the thrill. Under the hood, the Bugatti Luxury Motorhome is powered by a specially tuned hybrid powertrain that combines a V8 engine with multiple electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Despite its size, it can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 5 seconds, thanks to torque vectoring and all-wheel drive. The air suspension adjusts for road conditions, and the smart terrain system allows for off-grid adventures in absolute comfort. Safety features. Bugatti has equipped the 2026 luxury motorhome with the most advanced safety tech available. It features Level 3 autonomous driving, which allows semi-autonomous cruising on highways. Multiple radar sensors, LiDAR units, and cameras ensure 360-degree awareness. Inside, the motorhome includes emergency braking, lane keep assist, drowsiness detection, and a fire suppression system for added peace of mind. Airbags are cleverly integrated into lounge chairs, beds, and even kitchen areas to protect all occupants in case of impact. Unique selling points. So what sets this apart? Firstly, it's the only ultra-luxury motorhome built by a hypercar manufacturer. Secondly, it integrates performance, tech, and comfort at a level never seen before. Features like the retractable rooftop helipad, yes, seriously, drone. Valet delivery system, and voice-controlled everything, from climate to curtains, make it a tech marvel. And let's not forget the Bugatti concierge service that comes with it. With just a voice command, you can request a chef, cleaner, or driver to meet you at your next stop. It's automotive hospitality taken to another planet. Price. As you might expect, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome starts at a jaw-dropping $5 million, and that's before customization. Only 30 units will be produced worldwide, making it one of the rarest luxury vehicles ever built. For those who can afford it, it's not just a motorhome, it's a moving mansion infused with supercar spirit. To wrap it up, the 2026 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome is a bold fusion of technology, elegance, and outrageous performance. It's not for everyone, but for the elite few, it offers unmatched freedom with first-class luxury on every road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driven Vision for more reviews on futuristic automotive marvels. See you in the next video.